dark side of the moon. After all, I knew it had to be something to do with you.